For the equipment, you need 2 crates, several jars, flowers, raffia. For the personalization, you can put strings, paper, pencil, scissors, pins cone, or silk paper at the bottom of the crates. For the bulb, drop it at the bottom of the jar. Separate the roots. Then drop the bulb in a jar and fill the jar with earth. For the other plants, repeat the operation but fill the jar completely. Hang the paper to the raffia, tie the raffia around the jar, cut the extremity with scissors. Put one crate on the other, put the silk paper on the crate, place the jar, then place the pencil cones. And you can also write a quotation on the crate.
You need a log, ruler, pencil and drill. Draw a square. Drill the log. Put the dirt in the log. And put the flowers.
For this tutorial, you need some wood boards, some wood sticks, a saw, a measuring tape, a spade, a rake, some wires, a metal stick, a hammer, a drill with screws, and a level. Then cut 2 wood boards by 2 meters each and cut 8 wood sticks by 60 centimeters. For the sticks, you need them to have a peak, so you can put them in the ground. So you have to cut them. For this, draw a triangle on the end of a stick and cut it with a saw. After you did it for one side, turn the stick on the non-cutted side and do the same. So in the end, you must have this. Next step, define the place you want to build your planter. Then dig it with the spade. And level the ground with the rake. For the building, first put sticks in the 4 corners. To do this, dig a hole with the metal stick and bury the sticks with the hammer. Check that it's lined up. Then, prepare the ground so you can put the boards after. it has to be perfectly horizontal. To drill the boards, you need a drill head to dig the wood and one head to put the screws. Then, dig a board and the stick behind it and put the screws. For the board next to it, do the same, but not at the same place, because the 4 screws will be in the same stick. Finally, put the last 4 sticks in the middle to reinforce the planter.